In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a private server in Steal a Brainrot on Roblox PC and mobile. Start by selecting the Steal a Brainrot game to open the information page. Make sure not to click the play button. Click on the social button, which has the two people, then select Create Private Server. On mobile, you will need to select Steal a Brainrot. Then tap on the social button at the bottom and choose the Create Private Server option. You will see the price of a private server at the top. At the moment, it is 79 Robux. This is how much it will cost every month to keep the private server running. Select the server name box and give your server a name. Then head down and select Subscribe. Confirm the purchase if needed. Then select Not Now. You should now see your private server under the Private Servers heading. You can start playing by pressing the Join button. If you don't see your private server, then press the Refresh button. On mobile, you can tap down on the Refresh button or drag down on the page to refresh it. Click on the three dots next to your private server to open the options, then select Configure. Here you will see your private server settings. If you want to stop your private server subscription from renewing next month, then turn off the subscription status. Head down to the settings. Turn on the Allow Joining option if it isn't already. If you want friends to be able to join your private server, then turn on the Connections Allowed option. This will allow any of your friends to join the server. Alternatively, you can select the Add People button and enter a username to allow only specific people to join. Another option is to invite someone using a private server link. To do this, click the Generate button. Then go to the side and select the Copy button. You can then paste the link and send it to other people to invite them to your server. Head up and click the back button to get back to the servers page. Then click the Join button to start playing. You now know how to create a private server in Steal a Brainrot on Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.